Do you want to learn how I made this yummy caramel? Stay tuned and watch. Add 1 cup of sugar to a heavy bottom saucepan. Shake it till it's even on the bottom. Add 1/3 cup of water to foily moisten the sugar. Place the pot over medium heat and cook until the sugar dissolves and turns clear. This will just be a few minutes. Now the water is clear, so I'm going to raise the temperature up medium-high. The most important thing about doing caramel is you never want to put a spoon in this when this process is happening, otherwise it will crystallize. So avoid ever putting a spoon in it. It will just totally ruin it. You have to wait for it to boil. It takes about 10 minutes for it to get an amber copper color. I call it a coppery color like a penny. And you'll see very soon here what that looks like. But you cannot, like I said, put anything in it until the cream goes in there at the very end. After you take it off the heat, you put 3/4 cup of cream in here and then some butter. And when it does start to churn, it turns really fast, so you have to make sure you never leave the area. You just watch it. And of course, like again I said, do not put anything in here at all, especially your finger, because it's super hot. Bubbles are slowing down. Starting to churn. Bubbles are slowing down. This is when science plays into baking and cooking. Smells really good. See on the outside here, it's still not done, so I'm just going to tilt it a little back and forth. You can do that, you just can't put anything in it. You gotta be real careful. So this is done. I'm taking it off now. You want to put in your 2 tablespoons of butter and stir that until it dissolves. And wait for it to cool down, and I'll put it in the refrigerator. You can use it just like caramel, or you can use it as a drip even on a cake or on cupcakes. I'm going to put this in some buttercream now and make it as a filling.